Form 4 at Maths-Past Year Spm. Question: SPM 2010 progression. Our question: the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is given by this formula, which is Sn equals n over 2 brackets 3n minus 1. So we have collected the sum of the first n terms of arithmetic progression AP by this given formula. But we have already learned from the notes that the formula for Sn for AP is Sn n over 2 brackets 2a plus n minus 1d. But since the formula is given, we must use it. So we cannot use the formula from the notes. We must use the given formula. We look what they're asking. Find part A, the sum of the first 5 terms. The sum of the first 5 terms as 5. As usual, we start from what they ask. So I'm starting with S5. Since we are asking S5, I'm using the formula Sn that is given, whereby the n over here is 5 because S5. So replacing n over 2, n is 5, 5 over 2, 3 times n, 3 times 5, plus 1 plus 1. We shall do in the brackets first. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1, 16. So we have 5 over 2 times 16. Of course, we can divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we have 5 times 8, which is 40. So our answer, the sum of the first 5 terms as 5 is 40. So we have got answer for the first part. Second part, find the fifth term. Fifth term, T5. Again, we start from what they are. They are asking T5. We must use the formula Tn. But Tn, we have two formulas. Tn, we have two formulas. One is the formula Tn, a plus n minus 1d. A plus n minus 1d from the notes. Another one, that Tn is Sn minus Sn minus 1. Since we are given the formula Sn, of course we must use the formula of Sn minus Sn minus 1. So we must use the formula involving S. Therefore, T5, you watch, Tn Sn minus Sn minus 1. So therefore, T5 is equals S5 minus n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So our T5 we are looking for is S5 minus S4. And this S5 we already have. Okay, we already have the S5, which is over here. The S5 is 40. So I have replaced the S5 with 40. Now we have to find S4. Again, S4, I'm using the formula Sn, which is given. But now, the n must be 4. So n over 2, it will be 4 over 2. And replace n replace with 4, because it's S4. And then we have 3n, that is 3 times 4, and of course plus 1, we have plus 1. We shall do in the brackets first. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1, 13. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 times 13 is 26. And therefore our T5, which was 40 minus 26, that is T5, is 14, which is our answer. Okay, thank you. I see you on the next lesson.